Huanghe River rolls on eastward and winds to the sea. An expanse of rich land was generated in the place where Huanghe River joined the sea, Huanghe Delta. The world-famous Shengli Oilfield grows up in this young land, and also the new oil city, Dongying City of Shandong Province. The abundant oil and gas resources and the rapid regional economic growth here make a lot of excellent petroleum enterprises, and Shengli Oilfield Shengji Petroleum Equipment Company Limited is a brilliant star among them. Shengli Oilfield Shengji Petroleum Equipment Company Limited is transformed from the original general machinery plant of Shengli Petroleum Administration, Sinopec, and established in October 2007. It is a comprehensive machinery plant with the development, manufacture, and service of oil production and drilling machines as its main business, supplanted by petroleum engineering technical service. It is also one of the 50 top manufacturing enterprises of China petroleum drilling and production equipments. Shengji Company has 1,500 employees, several sets comprising over 1,200 different kinds of equipment, 11 manufacturing divisions, and 7 holding companies, occupying an area of 630,000 square meters with a gross building area of 180,000 square meters. It is a famous enterprise of the industry at home and abroad. Shengji Company is able to manufacture tubing of all steel grades, from API 5CT 2 3/8 inch to 4 1/2 inch, and all kinds of casing smaller than 7 inches, with a yearly capacity of 100,000 tons. Its products sell well in large oil fields at home and abroad, among them HDPE, EXPE, anti-wear, anti-corrosive tubing is a special product for the stubborn problem of oil well off-center wear. It has lengthened the service period between workovers of off-center wear oil wells by 3 to 6 times. Shengji Company is able to manufacture API 6A series of wellhead devices and Christmas trees with inner diameters from 2 1/16 inch to 4 1/16 inch. Working pressure from 2,000 psi to 20,000 psi. Working temperature from -29 degrees Celsius to 370 degrees Celsius, which meets the requirement of PR2 standard. Shengji Company is also able to provide API 16A series of blowout preventers with inner diameter from 7 1/16 inch to 16 1/4 inch, working pressure from 3,000 psi to 15,000 psi, and working temperature from -59 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. The yearly capacity of API 11AX oil well pump is 10,000. It is able to manufacture tubing pumps and rod pumps from diameter 32 to diameter 120. The development of diameter 120 pump had filled the country blank, which had been successfully exported to Royal Dutch Shell Group and is favorably viewed by the customers. Shengji Company is able to supply API 11E series of products by pumping unit, such as conventional beam pumping unit, dual horsehead pumping unit, compound balance pumping unit, powerless reversing intelligent pumping unit, motor reversing intelligent pumping unit, etc. Its yearly capacity is up to 1,000. The products have the typical characteristics of energy conservation, long stroke, low frequency of stroke, easy parameter adjustment and maintenance, etc. Its major EOR equipments, such as package equipment of polymer injection, injection equipment of microbe flood, de-aerator equipment of seawater, ultragravity field, etc., have reached the international advanced level. Adhering to the principle of promoting the enterprise with science and technology, Shengji Company takes the need of field operations as the direction of its product development. It deems providing comprehensive solutions for customers as its duty, and then establishes the R&D Center and Development Center of tertiary oil recovery equipment. Meanwhile, it gathers talent from all lands and builds up strength in various technical levels. There are more than 500 people in the company with an education background higher than college, more than 300 scientific and technical personnel, and 30 master degree candidates and on-the-job postgraduates at the company's expense. It has accomplished the information construction of the entire process from product design process, arrangement, drawing and document filing management, and supplementary production. Shengji Company cooperates closely with more than 10 research institutes and universities such as China University of Petroleum and Shengli Engineering and Consulting Company Limited, and carries out technology communication with the technicians of oil fields at home and abroad. It has scientific and technical innovative achievements emerging endlessly, with 40 patents for innovation and utility model of the state, and the ratio of the production value of new products reaching over 25% for each year. The strong technique power and the constantly exploring spirit make its products maintain their technological advantage. Being responsible for product quality and satisfying customers is the duty and goal of each personnel of Shengji Company. The company has gained production licenses of Type 1 and Type 2 pressure vessels, obtained certificates of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSA S18001, won the use right of API emblem of 6 kinds of products including 5CT, 6A, 7D, 11E, 11AX, and 16A, which maintains valid in the reviews of API Society. Its products of pumping unit, oil well pumps, pressure pipeline components, blowout preventers, seamless steel pipes, anti-corrosion tubing, etc. have got the state production licenses, and its oil well pumps have got European Union Machinery Directive CE certificate. So far, it has completed a management network of quality control, standardization management, and metering control. The quality principles of quality first, customers supreme, emphasized management, continual improvement have gone deep into people's minds, and quality control has been carried out throughout the entire process from product design to manufacture and sales. The good equipment and advanced detective instruments provide basic guarantee for product quality and manufacture capacity. Shengji Company has the manufacture capacity of cold and hot processing, with all kinds of process centers and digital control machine tools. The production lines, including the production line of tubing and drill pipe upsetting, production line of stainless steel pipe cold drawing, imported production line of HDPE, EXPE lining tubing, production line of pump plunger spray welding, etc., are of advanced level at home with mature technologies. Shengji Company has complete quality inspection methods, test capacity of wellhead and valve PR2 tests, and first-class laboratory of well control equipments at home. In addition, it aspects the steel pipes with the imported non-detective steel pipe instruction machine. The products of Shengji Company have been sold in more than 20 oil fields in China and more than 20 foreign countries such as the USA, Canada, Russia, Kazakhstan, Syria, Sudan, Algeria, Indonesia, etc. Shengji Company has built up complete sale and service systems and has established many offices at home and abroad. It sets up qualified service teams for international market and offshore market, and each kind of product is arranged with special service personnel. The company promises, on receiving the service notice from the customer, it will arrive at the site within minimum time. It will carry out 24-hour service standby systems for the key products and provide all-round technical service for special products. Providing high-quality machinery products for petroleum industry all over the world and building a China and world-famous brand are the goals of all staff at Shengji Company. Their principles and concepts in focusing on the customers, trying to provide high-quality products and excellent service for the customers. Mutual benefit. At present, with the integration of the global economy and internationalization of domestic markets, Shengji Company aims at international advanced level and domestic leading level, following the value of being responsible for the customer is being responsible for the company, being responsible for the company is being responsible for ourselves, and encouraging the enterprise spirit of loyalty, responsibility, activity, and hard work. With a pioneering and innovative spirit in continuous improvement, Shengli Oilfield, Shengji Petroleum Equipment Company Limited is trying to make its products perfect and marching towards the goal of creating a 100-year Shengji and establishing the first class of the industry.